with us. Another case that you're closely tracking is Patanjali. The Supreme Court has made very strong observation. Tell us more about that as well.
Well, the Supreme Court is clearly miffed at the conduct of Baba Ramdev and was not mincing any words. In fact, the Supreme Court took exception even to the latest round of unconditional apologies that have been submitted by Baba Ramdev and the other contemners. The Supreme Court said that these apologies are coming only when Baba Ramdev found his back to be against the wall, that the Supreme Court is not inclined to accept this apology, that this apology is not worth the paper it's being written on. The Supreme Court going on to say that it will show the same disdain to Baba Ramdev's apology as was shown by Baba Ramdev to the Supreme Court order. The Supreme Court recalling how on the very next day of the order, Baba Ramdev had been conducting a press conference and saying things that were not most charitable towards the Apex Court. So with that, the Apex Court holding that it is not inclined to accept this apology has now referred this matter to April 16th, and that's when the Apex Court will be pronouncing its contempt order. A contempt action is now what is anticipated against Baba Ramdev, but he is not the only one on the receiving end. The Supreme Court had particularly strong words to use with respect to the conduct of the Uttarakhand state licensing authorities. The Supreme Court asked if they were thumb twiddling, why they took no action. In fact, even alleging at one point, commenting, observing that it seems that the state licensing authorities, which were supposed to keep Patanjali in check, were in fact in cahoots, were hand in glove with Patanjali. They too have been directed to come back and submit their reply on as to why no action was taken against Patanjali by the state licensing authorities. So clearly the Apex Court not very happy. And in the words of the bench of the Apex Court, the Supreme Court looking to send out a message to the FMCG space, to the players in the FMCG space, which are giving a rosy picture about their products. Words coming in from the top court. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Ashmit, for getting us details on some important court cases today.